you know the man is speed limit. Can't drive under 5 when I'm seeing the finish. I'm going over 5 O's and no, they wouldn't get it in a 50-50 when it's 5 and no. That's winning. Kicking it like Taekwondo.